Hello, second graders. Today we're going to look at the lesson 21 problem set for math. We're only going to do the problem set, not the homework today. So we are going to find the value of the point on each part of the meter strip marked by a letter. For each number line, 1 unit is the distance from one hash mark to the next. Okay, so this one sounds a little confusing, so I'm going to show you how to do it. We start at 20, we go to 50. We have to figure out what we count by to get from 20 to 50. So we'll start by trying with ones. So if we started with 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, that's wrong. So we'll try fives. So we'll do 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So that's right because it's 50. So we counted up by fives. And if that didn't work, I would have tried tens next. Okay, so now it says A, so we need to figure out what does A equal. So we'll just count up by fives until we get to A. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So A equals 40, make sure you label it, 40 centimeters. Number 2, we're getting from 35 to 85. So if we tried ones, we'd do 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. That's not it. If we tried fives, it would go 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, and that's not it. So then we could go to tens. 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, and 85. So that time we counted by 10 centimeters. And B is right here. So 35, 45, 55, 65. 65 centimeters. Okay, so number 3 is the same. 4 tells you each hash mark represents 5 more, so you know you're counting by fives. So I would suggest writing right on top of it. 45, 50, 55, okay, all the way up to D. And then it wants to know the difference between the two endpoints. We know difference means subtract. So the higher number minus the lower number. And number 5 and 6 are the same. So please do the second page of the problem set, 4, 5, and 6, and upload a picture when you're done. Thanks.